Okay, here's the latest and greatest, and you can see I haven't glued it all together, but I love this blue and black and gray motif. So you see it, the valves seem to move really well. This is ABS, this middle part. The rest of it's all PLA, but this middle part is ABS. Well, you can see that still not perfect, a little more airy with the ABS version, but it does play, and it does seem to hit the notes, even though it still comes apart because I haven't glued it together. But anyway, so and the high notes are still hard. But it's like the lower notes seem to come in a little better. So this is with the 10 millimeter to 11 millimeter lead pipe, and it sort of starts out 10 for a while and then it expands slowly, so that seems like that helps a little bit. So yeah, it actually plays. There again, nothing is perfect, but it's definitely better. This is with the 3D printed mouthpiece too, so you can see it actually kind of plays. And the high notes just don't want to come in. So there's that. And this first valve does want to stay. That's probably needs to be sanded more, I don't know. So yeah, it seems like high F and G on up are a little bit tough to hit, and I don't know, it might be because of the size, I don't know, but anyway, it actually, with the ABS, you see it was sticking a little bit, and there again, I need to probably glue it down so it'd be less airy. You see it's all sort of coming apart while I'm playing, so I need to probably glue it, but it does sort of work with this ABS. I like the ABS. They say that PETG would be even better, so we might try PETG next. I don't know, but PETG maybe is a little bit harder, so it might make it sound a little brighter, so that might be the way to go. Anyway, there it is, the latest and greatest. Bye.